Hi, I'm Dr. Zyrowski.
And I'm Ashley.
And in this video, we are going to teach you DIY natural teeth whitening strategies. You see, like so many people are going out and spending a whole bunch of money on teeth whitening. They're going to the dentist and getting expensive procedures done. They're also even using a lot of different strips and things from the store which are loaded with chemicals. And so we want to give you a holistic and natural approach to teeth whitening, and also inexpensive. It's going to save you a lot of money. So let's go ahead and jump into it.
All right, the first thing we have here is some coconut oil for oil pulling. And the second strategy that we're going to talk about in a little bit is brushing with Purify activated charcoal.
Right, so I'll go ahead and cover the coconut oil. So basically with oil pulling and using coconut oil to do so, you just more or less take a scoop of the coconut oil, you put it in your mouth, and then after it melts into your mouth, you just swish it around in your mouth for about 5 minutes. Now you can do this once a day, and it has a couple great benefits. So one, it's going to help keep your teeth, shiny and looking healthy, and keep them whitened. But the other thing it's going to do is it's going to really help get those bad bugs out of your mouth. So, if you didn't know this, when it comes to cavities, the real root cause of cavities is due to bad bacteria in your mouth. So using coconut oil helps flush out that bad bacteria simply because it works as a antibacterial. It's a very gentle antibacterial, and it's going to help keep them white and also keep those bad bugs out. But now, what is the strategy that you have beyond the oil pulling? Because I can tell you that with the oil pulling, it's a great strategy, but it's not everybody's cup of tea.
I personally don't like swishing around the oil in my mouth. I don't like that sensation. So what I prefer to do is brush with Purify activated charcoal. What you do is you just open up, they're in capsule form, so you're going to open up a capsule, and what I do is I can either sprinkle it directly on my whitened toothbrush, or I'll put it in a little bowl here like this. Makes it a little less messy. And then you wet down your toothbrush and you dip it into the activated charcoal like this. Okay, so your toothbrush is going to be all black. And over the sink, I would do it over the sink because it can get pretty messy. Over the sink, you're going to brush your teeth for about 30 seconds to a minute, just like you would normally brush your teeth. Now, don't worry, your teeth is going to be really black. It's going to look really gross. Yeah. But as soon as you rinse out your mouth and brush your teeth with your normal toothpaste, you'll find that the black comes all right off and your teeth are left really refreshed, really whitened. If you do this every day for 2 weeks, you're going to notice a drastic difference.
Right. And so the other thing too is that it's not something that you need to do consistently for weeks on end. It's something that you do for a short period of time because the activated charcoal is naturally abrasive. So there are some people who believe that it can, go in and hurt the enamel of your teeth if you're doing it too much. So if you just do it for a short period of time, get your teeth whitened up, and then I think, it's probably going to be something you do maybe once a week or every couple days after that, once you get your teeth whitened to where you want them. So, once again, we use coconut oil to swish around, and this is called oil pulling. So we use the oil pulling, and then we also use the activated charcoal, and together, this is a really great combination for keeping your teeth nice and healthy and also nice and white. Now, is there anything else to mention here?
I don't believe so. If you have any questions on how to oil pull or how to use activated charcoal to whiten your teeth, go ahead and post them in the comments below.
Yeah, post them in the comments below. Give the videos a thumbs up. Until next time, guys, I'm Dr. Zyrowski, and this is my wife, Ashley, and this is DIY Natural Teeth Whitening. Make it a great day.